का बड़ा फैसला आज आया है. Today, the Supreme Court has modified its controversial August 11th order on relocation of stray dogs in Delhi-NCR, addressing widespread protests from animal welfare groups. A new ruling delivered by a three-judge bench led by Justice Vikram Nath allowed stray dogs to be picked up for sterilization and immunization, but mandates their release back to their original locations except for those with rabies or aggressive behavior, who must remain in shelters. The court also directed the Municipal Corporation of Delhi to create designated feeding areas in municipal wards, banning public feeding of strays outside these zones with legal consequences for violators. In fact, a helpline will also be established to report violations, and animal lovers can apply to adopt dogs. The scope of the case has also been expanded pan-India, with notices being issued now to states, union territories and animal husbandry departments to ensure compliance with animal birth control rules. All related High Court petitions will also be transferred now to the Supreme Court for a final policy. Well, this order has been welcomed, of course, although some doubts remain about defining aggressive dogs and shelter infrastructure. The matter has been listed for hearing in 8 weeks again. Joining us to discuss this is Ajay Joshi, animal and environment rights activist. Ajay Joshi, what did you make of this order today?
This is can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, we can.
This is a very good order. We take it very positively for all over India, for the animal lovers, dog lovers especially. And I would like to point out that this movement on the streets has reclaimed the places where protests were banned. India Gate, Ram Leela Maidan. I have a copy where we went to protest and we were handed out that your protest for dogs is banned. So this is the authoritarian rule we were fighting, the injustice towards voiceless animals. And I can send you this copy, and I have, and it says that Ramlila, silent protest in Ramlila.
Okay, that's a separate issue, sir, about protests. Let's come back to the order now today. What are the aspects of it that you are happy about?
Yeah, we are happy about this. And we also say that you send the aggressive dogs to shelters, but we would like them to call rehabilitation centers, because every dog faces a lot of cruelty with them when they are living on the streets, so they become little aggressive, and for that medications and all things, the science has developed. So we have to first focus on that, and we focus on the vaccination. So vaccination is very important today, as you see rabies cases are coming up, but also there is leptospirosis. 200 people died last year of leptospirosis in Kerala, and this year 88 have already died from leptospirosis, which are shed by rodents and dogs and cats and monkeys. So vaccination of dogs, including rabies, leptospirosis, parvo, and various other viruses is important, and that should be mandated. And also this order brings forward that dogs should be respected. They are living the society for many years, and they should have designated feeding areas, and people should not just feed anywhere. And that is very clear. Vaccination first, feeding later. So this is my take on this. And rest, as you know, outside Supreme Court, there is Bharat Mandapam, and this is the largest pet fair going to take place tomorrow for 2 days. 20,000 crore market, 7 billion USD market in India by 2028.